What my Facebook? Cool. Don't try to.
I don't know this girl. I don't know this girl when they talk about so. I don't know the girl. But when I saw it,
okay, man.
Oh, yeah. It's what we have. Why you
no, I take me.
The
Hello. No, I take me. I'm a double. No, mommy. No, mommy, double. We are here. Hello. No, I take me. What? You know what they be wrong. You are better here with one moment. Mama, anybody here? I'm going to call you. No, mammy, I know you. No, we go with the ones of it.
Well, worry, right? I would they weapon, I would have been more valuable. One of the Yahoo Sonia.
Hello, Miss Way, but back here.
But okay. Everybody, you know. Why you cussing it?
No. Here we are, coloring.
I got color with I can run about no folk, my God, and you don't know.
Why the dog?
Well, up my boy out of our hem good. But don't tell me the dog away. Oh, you want him, dear.
Oh, no, go ahead, go me out.
Hey, you not tell me. I have any measure, Baba. Runda. Meme TV, I met it.
I want to know.
Eh, every measure, Baba. I want an hour. I want an be me. I want an hour. I want to have a joke with so what?
I don't know my spirit.
Oh, we get paid.
Two now.
Yeah, we don't already play that.
Okay, now don't jam.
How do they come from?
Not fun.
And I will do at the no I didn't know for you. What's the matter? I can't you are going store. What's in it?
No noise. Action.
Whatever. In Yamani out of your book, even in do hammer, no way. I think you're doing your. No fait qu'on viole la dernière venue maladie boyona beruba ya udingbe wo mamu wo ma gbe kugbe una ro ra ka una ro iwe do aha ma we ni me no mi mete yan dun we yan we fio yo pa o me bo yan agbo we o me bo we me bere yan dun yan we fio na se mi si wala imaye tie boyo na igbo nu we kai no ene akemi eri tie boyo
maybe no yan fio do we o yi do ra we tie boyo wọ́n bọ́ yọ òyìn mẹ́ má sọ pé lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ èyí ọdún fi tupa bí náà àwọn àdúrà wọn ìmì wọn wí ẹ̀bọ̀n ẹ̀mí rẹ̀ àtẹ̀yọ wọ́n ẹ̀tẹ̀yọ wọ́n àtẹ̀bọ̀yọ ẹ̀bọ̀n ọ̀dà gbòòrò rẹ̀ jẹ̀wù fún wa àmì ọmọ náà gbẹ ẹ̀bọ̀n ní ègbò ẹ̀ yes wọ́n wọ́n ìmẹ̀ náà ìmẹ̀ tó ìmẹ̀ tó ọdún yà fi yọ.
fẹ́ kó nà ẹ́ ní àrùn dá wọ́n ẹgbẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ ìwé ya fẹ́fẹ́ kó dúkùdó sótọ̀ ní rẹ̀ ya fẹ́.
Uwete bo ahịara wu uwete bo me na usaga
ime mo sore ni an we do ino we di oyara me ikai
ora we ma ora we un na bo mi agbo yi kefu ora gbo ya we era bi ora mama
Why you say angani wa mo pa
ime ti egbo ni
era bi ora le ma bu ya ko ma le ma akiri
Owe na ya di mwe kono wi me.
Hey, ya. What you pay for?
When no ji, I to the boy.
Okay, sorry.
Owe no ji. Ona pa no do ya di mwe kono wi me. Owe no ji. Yes.
Women no ji.
Yes, so.
Ona makono we. Ehwem we. Ehwem we.
Eh, jo be fa kunu. What you pay for wa kunu? Le ku na mu. Yi, be no wa di gba se na. Owo wi me. O mo ekure. Ah, o da bebe. You that way. Wa ri be ni awe o ivere we bo. Igi na mami. Ah? Wo na wa do ya se.
To vi wado. To vi wado du mo ri ala mo kone. Mejo mo ni a.
Da we pare we bo ne go na ra. O maka me inu ko ku ye ne.
Uno jina. Kifa. Wa bio.
Ego na ara maka me wo me ko no we. O pare we bo ne ba wo ka me wo me ko no we. Da yo go na ora we bo. Ayo, we wo ni ku nyam we. O ri na ku we a ojo. O wi wo ri yin o me ye gbe lagbe.
Awawa. Ego no we na we o ma ego din.
O wo si e la o.
O si e la o. Now kede na wa pa. Wa fe kware wa na ze inu ri agwa lo wa ya ka ke wa bio.
Anya wo ha lai.
La mi ala kwa me ti.
Anya wo ha lai.
O we roda fun no.
I roda for me.
We no.
Me na tika.
Yes sir.
Okay. Why we are why ko wa wo pa mare ni. Iga na wo la je. Be ko wa.
Wa ge gba oko. Guru aira ke na wa pa. O bia na o gi ra.
Pe wata. Eja.
O gbe tete. Wewo, meru la wa. Hey. Go. Awa. Oda fon vo.
Bo no na wa ju popo wa va ne ko na bo kin.
Ti oda fon me.
Bo ru ta wa mi ko re we bu. Wa do le ni ta. Abe ne ku emu. Abe swine.
Ita ma we ne. Ke na pa e ma na obi wai.
E ma wai. Awa bua. E ma gwa. I we ari ogba. E fwe mu we. Ku be ku sa do ma me a ojo.
Bere no. Abe bo ma no.
Jo we na ma dele ke ko.
Wa. Do ari ogba. Be na mi ogba wo ti ogwe ma ni e
It's
Ah,
Let me cut.
Phone.
Oh, if you are there, to my phone.
why you cut her?
Yeah, close over.
Say what?
Owo.
Can we control? Look up here.
Èmi no sunu na egbe wa wo mi. O ma ni ma me o we be bo ga ino. Ke ya fi èmi no fi o eba. O ma le ri ọ̀rọ̀ yo.
Yi wa en o. O ma yan wa be. E gbera wa be ge obi e so me ge Africa.
No mami.
O e gbera wa be ge no mami obi e Africa. Eyin no.
No mami.
Yen no ni a do be.
we wa domo. Ojo we atogbe.
Atega.
Idomo o. Sabu ko yo. Oh, wa gbe mare e bo wa. Ko bi. Ye yo ke mo jo we.
Atega okin ma. Okin ma tega. Awe bo awe ukuro no ro kebe o ama ma no fi o e.
E ya do ni.
Ojo we atogbe na be tari ri ba ni. Owo kure no vu e ya do vi o wa wo ejo no ki ano ya fi o gbe ade.
Anya mo.
E o we.
Era bi uka. Era bi uka. O mi me. Era bi uka.
Agbon ya fefe ore wo na ma go we ga taparapa no gi oji.
Era bi ataparapa.
Era bi taparapa.
Era bi oji.
Ah,
Atega, jemi agbo egbe.
gbe wa ko me.
Ti we yin o.
Jemi agbo egbe tega.
Ojo we me wa akabo apa mo di o. Ojo we na boya fe do ma we ko. Awo na ojo we ma ya ka we re we ma gba.
Imata ma we. Ifa go go no tie.
Ojo we re we ma gba yi. We tu we mo omo we ogba ya fe na mo yi ero.
For na no again.
Go e bi ba go. Apa. We no you know. Ala.
Hey, ojo we.
In fact, do we gbon here abi o.
Iji ni ona wa la o. Ojo we. Ba do tari ri ba ni a. La wo ba nu viku la dia. Nu gele nu viku de oto. Nu se kaka nu kia be nu tie bodo. E bon we ti na wi hu ba na egbera ma.
Okura yero. Aye ne nu kura ni ora we be o e ya flo ina.
Ojo wo we stra kure.
Oga gbe me ya flo re do ti e yo.
Ojo we na ma gele ke ko.
Onile.
Wa mu ni mama nwe ama. Imani oni anwe ya gboko a.
Mo e dis stop you. Mete wi yan be.
Now mo take this thing for come with mama for say. So 6.
Then wa me what me na re, ni ama wu dey.
Na ru la wa kan.
Eba, don't musa wa talk play.
I don't understand.
I be waiting for your happen. You see.
Je mo dia o la jane o ke re o. O la jane o ke amedede.
Koi.
Mucha.
Se aí go tota.
Tota.
Koi.
Ko.
Wawaruwa.
Yeah. Iga ikere no rowa egbe ni yan no pick up. Waruwa ma je iropa. Yan ni kebo he.
Egbe wa yo no rewebo. Egbe wa yo no rewebo. Odi ayo ba.
Yeah, waruwa. O ma je iropa yan ni kebo. Before hand.
Wawaruwa. O ma ye ropa na.
Imaju gbo. Iga ikere no rowa na we ni yan. Yan ni ke ya wari ugbo.
Okay.
Panere ya de ga ma gbe de ni si ele mi. E ti wen no.
Oh, yo sawese. Maize. Iye iwaru le se dian. Kian pe. Ore me yire na ya re pa. Oro wi tendo we. Orun pa ga fi egbe. Sa yiye. Orun pa fi we wo ko se ayire. Na we usman we oteme na se asira. Na we adomo pa woni mo ari e webo. Oda we nya we ri pe me si una odo na ya ti ya mo ma adu.
Eventabi. Hiu. Uwe so bijimi. Wa do mo yan ri e
Adu
won.
mo ari e webo.
We se. Eze de se ra ro. Aba we de mo aba gbe gini. Aba gbe gini we de mu e no ma mi e u ki amu no bia. Uda la mano gbeji ba be ra ru be bo na e ma.
E na ma mi e so do ku da.
Evanta.
Ona odu mama o se we bo kan fe.
Eriono.
Ya mo o yan ro wa yan.
Awo.
Re ban yi.
Para we si, algo to. Very good.
Action.
Go you.
What a left gri.
You go. Run at them. Wa ya very no mami. No ya so do. Gbe me de okay, is a from one problem and the other. So when me go wa gona, no mami ya waruto, gbe me de ran.
When we go na. We go to run. Ma we ya ha me mo pa ma eva no kan ma me o mata. Ma why ma we ma say we o we ma wara.
We na oka kubwe. Da yari agion.
Ya mata ma.
Odi oka we mata ma. Dem no lo we woni tell me dey wa. Ben no tell me right. What's on do ategbo ide ma.
Day.
Okay. Thank you.
Aja we no take. Tako.
Oh yeah, mama bi.
Iye. Èmi mo si go ta ba me. E wo ta ba me o. E wo ta ba me o.
Oni se ni water.
Ina bobo si ko ari o wa. Ina we ni ya sama ewe obi e to gbe moro. Obi e gbe moro ne. Ona fi o me mi. Yi se ba ni ta me. O we ni akia. Di me gele e do mi o do fi o me mi ya. Awe ni oni aso mi e popo. Awe nene. Awe ni mana bi e.
O mo so na ranu ti wa gan.
Ọwọ́ sí ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ méjì gbogbo mi ẹ̀.
Oníṣẹ́.
Ọjọ́ bá tẹ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ yìí. we wa kwa mo, we wa kwa.
Ona no Tony. Honestly. Agboya fe re wona gwe oyoku ni gwe oje eno. Oje eno. No ku ni opa o wa bi ma, o wa bi zeyi wo.
Omo si go gbe me wa kwa mo.
Ona to di ma.
Mo ya ta mo si go we. Iguma. Aga ya me ya izogbo. Afi we ri e wa ru egbe kaka bo. Wa ma wa gbon ire. Ke o. We bobo do we ma. Sa we se mi. Ke o mo na bi ese.
Se jan around that way. Awa egbe no wo mare. We a position ye we na ige bi aro. Mo za be gbe me. Lega ni. Na we se jan do mo me we ye. Emi kere na ni bi ri na ka go kere je. Mo we ya te gbe. So that way. Ya de gbe ri
ena ya bogi me we so mi etu weta na ni e do wo pon me se a wo be wa kan mu yi wa ma me ni ori agina me yi a o ga gban no e we bonuje ni o ga gban no wa ma mi me ke o mi me o ga ma ipa
o so le va kan ya gbe ka e bo ni mo na le o so le va ya ri mo
la o te pa we po re se o bo me gba ye vi onu apin mi e o ga mi e o eni mi na we nu we ja ya ke o mi me ke mo na bia se ke o ugwu me ye wa ya mu iwa ku ke o edi je we wa ya mu iwa ku ya ma
ni ya wa we ma ye we se jan ni do mi o da we a position ye we na ige bi aro
ini korea no ya sagba say bi 20 ta ije la mi te waka la banda la mi te waka ni wa ku e to ko na to
Finish your master now.
My name is Francis Osumi.
All right. So what are you doing?
Yeah, we're here for the production of Efosa Okunbowa production. We're shooting the Nigerian part of the story.
Right.
So I'm done with my bits. The role I took was a young girl who has the aspiration to leave the village to go get married in Lagos because she doesn't want to stay here forever. That's the role. And my character name is Sarah.
All right.
So I have a sister and the younger brother who left Nigeria to overseas.
My name is Blessing.
Make person sit down now. Go sit down.
All right. Please, so can you tell me the role you took in this movie?
Okay, I play as Susie.
Susie?
Yeah.
So what the role is about in the movie?
Though I don't have the full script, so I can't really give a full description of the movie. But what I can say is that I have a sister.
What's that doing?
I have a sister. Her name is called Sarah, which is Frances. Right. So I have a mother. I think we were just complaining that we are too big, that we have to go get married. That's all.
All right. So what do you have to tell Eddie to appreciate the guy that hosts the film?
Yeah, you really tried. You're idoling. You made me proud. I never knew you could go this far. More kudos to you. More money to your bank account. And more blessings to your table. I wish you best in life. Take care of yourself.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
For everything. God is in control.
All right.
Today is the first day we have tomorrow to record. See in the end, sir.
My name is Victor Arawa.
Nice. So, sir, can you just tell me what are you doing here? Are you a director or
director in the film now?
All right. Can you just tell me what the movie is about? Just say anything about the movie.
Silimana, Mauna, Okiri, and when Manibu, Mano, we be done. Yakiri, or Diamond, Emma, or Kiki.
All right.
I do agree, my, you know. But he had to be but he had to be no, you continue for the industry. Yes, we try or Fosa or here.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm searching for a location for this new movie. So I'm just in train station now. So my name is Efosa Okunbowa, as I've talked before. So I just go for my train, and I pass on my train. Where I want for shoot this my new film, your new finish. No. Because we already finish and we already do one starting for Nigeria, you know. So I don't mind you, but I just define where I want to do the film. My eye on the ground. So because not really days that I've had to come before. Many work to do, many things to do. Because since this video they need to finish the watch now. So now the making of my new film. No, but if I do finish, then I come. If I tell you if you get your own, go find your own take. Tell my new film. So I just look for where I want for do this one. This is hard for Austria, it's an Austria, as you can say. So now we want for do the film for you, and I just see the look for that. For this morning, go look for one for do the film. So a good job then, a good job, Shaq. I really appreciate. First of all, my fans, all of them, they greet me. I really appreciate all of you. I say thank you so much. I really appreciate all your efforts and everything. As I said before, but if I to come, no small work, a very big work. So at the final location, they go out of the bush this morning. They look for the final location for do the film. So my Austria's moment I show now because I go for a train for there and I have for the come now this morning. So they find the location to go. So I follow enter. So I just find the location because this film I want to do so. I want film maybe say you need to wash. No just throw you. I say no watch this film. I'm afraid if you not wash them, no good at all. So you need to wash them because people say these people don't speak English, but I'm really proud of where I come from. I'm from Edo State, Nigeria. The film I've been in film, people they ask me say I know they do English film. They do English film. I say they do Nollywood, but you say you have to start from somewhere. That's what I'm just about to do because as I first said earlier, it's not really easy, but you go for my English film too. But this one, so with the release so very soon, it's too tough for market, but now the location I find. So see what I can find this morning. The small bush, the fine bush, all of the day there. So it's not really easy. So now the bush now I use because it's a very big film. Now not be small film. After you watch them, if I do a cover, you see no say boy. Well, they need to start, but by His grace, Oluwa is always involved, as my friend talked before, so it's not really easy. I'm be a force of Kungba, the Aduro Entertainment, Australia. So it's on the river, I can't find. See the river for you, it's on the river. So, yeah, you all the road they go. So they don't want a river. So all of them did the film. So now I need to watch this film. So no, ma'am, you say this one you get paid. Only want to do it not easy, but I need to see what I need to say because now my whole film, now my story. I know what you be say supposed to match the film. Maybe say you go watch the film, you go like the film. Now, I think I'm for do for Nigeria now. I think they make it so. They make it for them to do for Nigeria. People there, so when I encourage me, try buy my film, try watch my film. Go my YouTube, Aduro TV. Like my YouTube, go there. Anything you see for there. You see, try mark them, subscribe, watch them, like them. Maybe I bet Maduro for the radio. No go keep Maduro, my friend. If you hand him any mercy, I toilet for all of you now. Oh, my first I know you Kungbawa, the Aduro Entertainment Austria. I got the location here. To looking for the location. Opa no why ya gele mu we redo ya. If you hand, I salute you, Baba Bakanatina. I greet you, Baba. Sasui West, OKH, Azugbene, the boy of Yahon, Baba Salov. Kelly of Morabon, Sylvester Wadia. About to have first on the location. You go here. Yeah, to have Lizzie need you, man. Yo, to ye, Kabo appreciate. I feel more women in my or see you walking. Kabo appreciate to have let us go and see the next location. See going for the location. I'm a my we are got location here. So see you walking. I really appreciate you. I'm my here for the shooting, for the location, looking for location. I will shoot a film now. We making again. I'm a part in the year, man. Part of Basuyi. Australand, my so I give you a soon where location, my Walakana, Catasiana. So my easy Catasi. So looking for the location for the new moving this city, maybe city of Vienna, Austria. I got like no more severe. I will let them one. We are just coming for the bush, so let us look for the beautiful place, for the location. This is the beautiful place for the location. This is Banff. So, by the Catasera, maybe more here. I got a so, my baby, my baby, got here for the next film. Look at that, see. So now la wo na kata se na wacha my game how you this West Banff so Australia Vienna a beautiful place I think joy we bo but the location here we go lo when ham we film we wa for na so in Nigeria na e making we wa for na the continue the film Australia na mahana to finish here I'm the director as I said before I'm the producer for Sao Kungbawa they are Duro Entertainment. Location, my AVJ, we still looking for the location. When you can't see now, so I team show the city. I think we get to show we both, but can handle with the film. Or I can make your phone out in Nigeria now. We game out now. I just soon around. Appreciate you for the encouragement. Oh, now you know, I appreciate you. My honorable directors, my Oga on the top. I have directors and directors. I appreciate you. Eric, you know your Bomo, my father. They appreciate you. My master, I appreciate. See on the location, my film now. I make yeah, so I'm with the traffic. Everything I move. If you enter this traffic now, it's a very, very big problem. So, see ready for the traffic. Let me show you people some places and where we want to make the movies. So, as I said before, I appreciate you. So, see on that. See on the location. The location I will now. Then the location you know. So, I will want to know. I understand it. So, I have and no. So. I got the location you can see now. But please, don't let me just go down like that. I need your support. I need your help. I'm really pleading people as you can really see. I'm a very young man, very small man as concerned. So I'm a very big man. So Allah will encourage the ministry for the move where when I made day Belgium, day for France, day for Germany, day for Holland, day for France, day for Spain, day for Italy. I really appreciate Mr. Baseki. I agree to sir. About Lancelot to do what he must win. I really appreciate Okanoma Daniel Dion, you know, to become a non-lawyer for a non-wine for the elderly. I be say, you get a city day. Look, we are beg, more encourage me, more encourage Maduro for this Maduro films and encourage me. I really appreciate. I really beg all of you now. So we can just try encourage the production, this Maduro Entertainment. Waiting for go to the permanent level. No, forest not just me for once. Forest just start small, can be big forest, you know. But we are back. When I encourage me, my friends. If you just didn't go so, you have to go. I really appreciate my editor, my big boss. I appreciate you. You're the look me say carry on and force us, you know, voila. I appreciate you. I see your work, you say you do for me. I really appreciate. Is Agoba, I greet you, sir. My honorable producer. I really greet you, sir. Say go on, and first I say nothing do you. Okay, do. Thank you very much, Victor. I appreciate you, sir. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Many people maybe say they are behind the camera. I don't make sure everybody know, but all of you now, I appreciate all of you now. All of you now, may I grow for your presence. All of them take me to do film when I did Nigeria. All of them not take me to do. Love na me see there hand. Do Artists Association of Nigeria. I appreciate all of you now. I appreciate all of you now. I appreciate all of you now. But when I look this one more, sana duro, sana duro. And I just try to encourage me. You understand? The ministry for the goal where always happy seeing you people. Always happy seeing your cause. My number there. Just call me to encourage me. All my papa, my mama, my friends made it for Austria for a year. And I mean, I really appreciate well because not really easy. Yeah. I just come Austria. I just never reach a many times. I did do for Austria. I appreciate all of you now. We're not there and they see me, but I don't say I don't feel see everybody. But I really appreciate everybody for this Austria, most probably this Vienna. I appreciate all of you now because for the encouragement. Easy, not easy. I really appreciate all of you now. No good man do for me. I will remember all of you now. If I don't remember, God will see pay all of you now because human being do good for. God they do good for. Not be human being. So we could have beg. Encourage me. When I go buy my film, I come in. They call the film. They audio. If I'm coming for Austria, I will bring a go for now. When I go buy, encourage me.